Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2027 Grand Design Reflection 270 BN, or is it a 270 muy bien? Little Spanish lingo there for you. We have pass-through storage, docking station on the other side, plus your leveling controls, tandem axle, great looking wheel and tire setup. There's your leveling from Lippert. So we have a dormitory style and size refrigerator here. And then over here we have a 2-burner cooktop. And then you have storage space here, shelf here, LED lighting, and a plug-in area for radio or hot plate, 2-inch receiver, single slide on the other side, and a docking station. Let's get inside and I can show you all of the goodness, so that way you understand why I called it the muy bien. So we step inside, we have an L-shaped dining area. Here is your controls for your power and your slides. 3-person couch, and this couch also nicely done, folds down into a armrest and cup holder directly across from the fireplace and the flat screen TV. We have HVA ducts, we're HVA system right there, plus a ceiling vent, LED lighting. Don't have the batteries hooked up on this particular model. 3-burner cooktop, as well as an oven, and a very nice size. Look at the size of this microwave. Very nice, nice and wide. And then we have plenty of cabinet space, as well as drawer space. Now that's part of the outdoor kitchen. That's why that is a dead panel there. And then below the oven, we have a great place for pots and pans, another drawer, and then that's dead space as well because the outdoor 2-burner cooktop. We have cabinet space here, and speaking of cabinet space, check this out. Nice and deep. And then we also have cabinet space there, nice and deep. We have the freezer on top, refrigerator on the bottom, and then we also have, it's hidden, but now I just revealed it, so it's no longer hidden, your pet water and food bowl. And there's the L-shaped dining area that I mentioned, as well as cabinets above. We have USB plug-ins and residential. And then we'll, our thermostat, light controls. I'll head up the 2 steps. And in the bathroom, nicely done, we have a medicine cabinet above the sink. And then we have another medicine cabinet above the commode, and a nice shower with a dome above for taller folks. And that would come in handy for me, plus an exhaust fan, LED lighting, ducted HVAC. As we step into the bedroom, we have cabinets on left and right, cubbies above. We have a shelf above. If you had a CPAP machine, you could put it up there as well. And then we have cabinets on the left and right. Let me go ahead and open this or lift this up. And nicely appointed, we have additional storage underneath. I'll close that down. And then we have 2 drawers. We also have this cubby, great place to put shoes. Let me open this up so you don't see the reflection of me. And again, this is a reflection, so you get 2 reflections for the price of 1. We have your clothesline there. It's pre-wired and pre-plumbed for a stackable washer and dryer, which is very, very nice. And I'm gonna see if I can extricate myself without showing up on the mirror. And I already mentioned the HVAC, and then ducted HVAC. We'll head back down the hallway into the gathering room. So now you know why I called it the 270 muy bien. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.